Welcome to the AutoVerse, where automotive legends come to life. If you're a fan of classic trucks, vintage gems, and modern marvels, be sure to never miss our exciting episode. To keep you up to date about all our exciting content, today we're diving into Bruce Teel's legendary International Harvester IH4300, a timeless classic truck that stands as a true icon of durability and design. The International Harvester IH4300, introduced in the mid-20th century, was a powerhouse in its era. Known for its robust engineering and versatility, this truck was built to handle heavy loads with ease, making it a favorite for long-haul transport and commercial use. Bruce Teel's meticulously restored version of this classic brings back its former glory, showcasing the craftsmanship and rugged appeal that made the IH4300 a standout. Under the hood, the IH4300 featured a range of powerful diesel engines. Depending on the configuration, it was equipped with engines like the Cummins NH or Detroit Diesel series, offering outputs ranging from 250 to 400 horsepower. These engines were paired with manual transmissions, delivering reliability and control for heavy-duty operations. The truck's performance capabilities, combined with its robust frame, made it a workhorse for industries across the board. The exterior of the IH4300 boasts a commanding presence, with a long hood, vertical grille design, and prominent fenders. Bruce Teel's version highlights its classic lines and bold profile with a meticulous restoration that pays homage to its original design. The chrome accents and polished wheels add a touch of elegance, while its utilitarian charm remains intact. Inside, the cabin of the IH4300 was designed for practicality and comfort during extended hauls. The bench seats were simple yet functional, while the dashboard was outfitted with basic gauges and controls. Bruce Teel's restoration likely includes thoughtful updates, ensuring modern conveniences blend seamlessly with the vintage aesthetic. From the steering wheel design to the cabin's spaciousness, every detail captures the essence of the era. The value of a classic truck like the IH4300 varies greatly depending on its condition, rarity, and restoration quality. Bruce Teel's meticulously restored model is likely worth upwards of $50,000 to $100,000 or more, especially given its singular significance and pristine condition. These trucks remain a symbol of America's industrial strength and engineering prowess. Thank you for exploring this classic with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the AutoVerse for more deep dives into vintage vehicles and modern innovations. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you in the next video.